Have you ever felt like your mind is a roommate that just won't shut up? Constantly judging you, worrying about next week's bills, or replaying embarrassing moments from years ago? Most of us live as slaves to this mental noise, believing that happiness is something we'll finally achieve in the future. But the secret to deep peace isn't something you achieve, it's something you uncover. Today, we are exploring the life-changing lessons from The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. This is more than a book on mindfulness. It is a guide to a radical shift in consciousness that can end personal suffering right here, right now. Lesson 1. You are not your mind, the watcher. The greatest obstacle to peace is believing you are the voice in your head. Most of us are possessed by our thoughts without even knowing it, acting as slaves to involuntary mental monologues. The lesson: you are not the thinker but the witness who observes the thoughts. By simply watching the thinker, without judgment, you activate a higher level of consciousness that is separate from your mind. Lesson 2. Time is the core delusion. The past gives you an identity, and the future promises fulfillment. But both are mental illusions that keep you trapped. The mind denies the now because it cannot remain in control without the concepts of past and future. The lesson: all negativity is caused by an accumulation of psychological time and the denial of the present. Regret is too much past, and anxiety is too much future. Freedom only exists in the now. Lesson 3. Dissolving the pain body. Old emotional pain lives inside you as a negative energy field called the pain body. This entity feeds on more pain and will trick you into negative thinking or drama just to ensure its own survival. The lesson: the pain body thrives on your unconscious identification with it. To dissolve it, observe the feeling in your body directly, without turning it into a mental story, breaking its power over you. Lesson 4. Reclaim your inner body. We often treat the body as a physical shell, but underneath is an invisible energy field that is your link to being. When the mind absorbs all your attention, you lose touch with this vital source of life. The lesson: to stay present, you must inhabit your body fully by keeping some of your attention on your inner energy field. This anchors you in the now and even strengthens your physical immune system. Lesson 5. Surrender is not weakness. Surrender is the wisdom of yielding to the flow of life rather than resisting what already is. It is not about passively putting up with a bad situation, but about accepting the isness of the present moment first. The lesson: resistance creates a pain gap between your expectations and reality. By surrendering to the now, you gain the clarity and spiritual power to take effective, positive action. Eckhart Tolle reminds us that enlightenment is simply your natural state of feeling at one with life. You are already complete, but the noise of the mind makes you forget it. Start small today by taking a conscious breath, or watching your thoughts as they arise. The only place you can truly live, love, and be free is right here. What is one thing your mind is trying to worry about today that you can choose to let go of? Stay present.